So, spring riding season is here. I've been riding this bike back here, mainly when it's raining. And the thing that I've been really noticing about when I'm riding that is that I want it to feel more like this, my Fargo. The Fargo is just more comfortable when I'm riding, and this one, it takes me a couple minutes to kind of get used to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the handlebars on it. And I'm also going to bring the reach in a little bit and use a different stem. The big challenge is I'm going to try to use the same bar tape. You can see this one's a lot lower still than this one, but I'm thinking if I get a different stem, make it a little taller, it's going to be just as comfortable as a Fargo, but it'll be a faster bike with the different gears and stuff on it. You can see I put the stock saddle back on it. The Fargo needed to have the Brooks on it, and I put the thud buster from the Fargo on this, so it actually kind of makes up for that flex that I'm not getting out of the seat. And you know, it goes with the handlebar tape nice. And but this is now what my cockpit looks like on the Sequoia. I'll bring it out here and see a little better. And here's the Sequoia with the Woodchippers. They're noticeably wider than the other. Still have a little bit of tweaking to do. I see that one hood is out a little bit. Just knock that in a little bit. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Well, this is a couple days later, actually getting out and getting to ride the bike with the new handlebars on it. I moved the seat forward a little bit because a lot of people were commenting on online and saying that it was too far back, and I did push it forward, and it is a little bit more comfortable that way actually. On Easter, we got about 8 inches of snow. So it's been a couple days. I haven't been able to get out and ride and actually check the bike out, but I switched the stem to the stem that was on the Fargo, and I just swapped them between the two, and it brought the Fargo down a little bit and it brought the Sequoia up a little bit, and it equaled them both out real nice. So I think I'm just gonna stick with that. If you like what you see on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.